Trade shows, your pathway to success. Trade shows are the lifeblood of industries, where companies come to the forefront, unveiling their latest innovations and fostering connections with potential clients. These events hold immense significance for businesses, and their power cannot be underestimated. Trade shows serve as powerful platforms for businesses to showcase their products, services, and ideas to a targeted audience. It's an opportunity to shine in the spotlight, to present your brand to a captivated audience seeking solutions. The impact of a well-planned and aesthetically pleasing booth design, complete with compelling graphics installations, cannot be overstated. Trade shows aren't just about attracting attention, they're about forging connections. Networking opportunities abound, allowing you to build relationships with potential clients, partners, and industry peers. It's a chance to collaborate, learn from others, and explore new avenues. The benefits of trade shows extend beyond the event itself, often leading to long-lasting partnerships and business growth. One of the core objectives of participating in trade shows is lead generation. Your booth is a beacon, drawing attendees in with its visually appealing graphics. It's an opportunity to collect valuable contacts and potential customers who express genuine interest in your offerings. These leads can significantly impact your sales pipeline, ultimately boosting revenue. Moreover, trade shows provide a unique space for market research and trend analysis. By interacting with attendees, engaging in discussions, and observing the competition, you can gain valuable insights into industry trends, customer preferences, and emerging technologies. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. AGC is here to support your trade show endeavors with our expertise in all things graphics. While we understand the importance of seamless signage solutions, we also recognize that the real star of the show is your brand and what it represents. Trade shows are your stage, and we're here to help you shine, ensuring that your business reaps the numerous benefits these events offer. Contact AGC today to explore how we can complement your trade show strategy and unlock the full potential of these invaluable events for your business. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.